Stormed their way into the finals of the Women's ODI World Cup, and the hosts could not have scripted this win any better, with Harmanpreet Kaur herself contributing 89, Jemimah making 127 not out. This is stuff that dreams are made of, and this is something that India has done in the past, been there, but every time it was some slip or the other that has kept them away from the dream of lifting the World Cup title. But this is a huge, momentous occasion for the Indian team to really lift that title and do it in front of a home crowd come Sunday when they face South Africa in the final of the ODI World Cup. But if we talk about this win today, the fantastic historic run chase that the Indian team scripted, not many cricket experts were giving them a chance when the chase started, when we lost Shafali Verma and Smriti Mandna cheaply. But then that fabulous partnership between Captain Harmanpreet Kaur and Jemimah, and then the cameos from Richa and Amanjot towards the end of the batting order, they really ensured that India stayed on track and comprehensively won this chase against a team which is not only number one ranked by the ICC but is also considered by and large an unbeatable team. But Alyssa Healy's team was committing all sorts of silly errors, if I can use that term, on a day which was a high stakes encounter, a knockout match. It's very rare that you see Australia in a position like that, but they were making mistakes not just in the bowling department, conceding as many as 26 extras, but they were also quite sloppy towards the end of the Indian innings when they were, defending the total of 338, committing errors in the fielding department as well. And this is the team which had gone unbeaten for 15 ODI matches. So they were handed their first defeat in the 16th match by the same team, that's Team India, which had defeated them earlier in 2017 as well. So this is a fantastic occasion really for Harmanpreet Kaur to become that, historic figure. Also, as far as the women's cricket is concerned in India, to lift the title come Sunday. And if this is one occasion that they should take advantage of, they are finding themselves in a perfect position, because the home crowd that we had seen today was definitely supporting in the semi-final, and it will be, if not more, doubled in the finals.